The Industrial Revolution 4.0 is happening right now, and most companies are still stuck in the past. Here's the uncomfortable truth. While businesses debate digital transformation strategies, their competitors are already deploying next-generation industrial computing solutions that make traditional systems look like relics from a bygone era. But here's where it gets controversial. The gap between early adopters and laggards is widening so rapidly that within the next 5 years, we might see entire industries dominated by just a handful of technologically superior players. Revolutionizing smart manufacturing with intelligent touch interfaces. Forget everything you thought you knew about industrial panel computers. APLEX has completely reimagined what these devices can accomplish with their groundbreaking AiTRON lineup. The AiTRON 8C and AiTRON 9E aren't just display units. They're sophisticated command centers that blur the line between human intuition and machine intelligence. What makes these systems truly remarkable? Every AiTRON unit features Intel's latest N97 and Core Ultra processors, wrapped in virtually indestructible fanless aluminum enclosures that laugh in the face of harsh industrial environments. The IP66 rating means these panels can withstand whatever nature or your factory floor throws at them. Dust storms, moisture, extreme temperatures, you name it. The 7H anti-scratch projected capacitive touchscreen represents a quantum leap in durability. For those unfamiliar with industrial ratings, this means the surface can resist scratching from materials as hard as quartz. Add optional high-brightness displays, optical bonding technology, anti-UV coating, and automatic dimming capabilities, and you've got a system that adapts to any environment, from scorching outdoor EV charging stations to dimly lit factory floors. But here's what most people miss. These aren't just tough displays. AiTRON systems are designed as the nerve centers for mission-critical operations, including process control, advanced robotics, edge AI computing, and real-time monitoring systems. Available in sizes from 10.1 inches up to 21.5 inches, they offer the flexibility to match any application without sacrificing raw computing power. Think of AiTRON as the brain that connects every smart manufacturing process in your facility. It's not just displaying information. It's processing, analyzing, and making split-second decisions that keep your entire operation running smoothly. The pocket-sized powerhouse that's disrupting edge computing. Here's a question that might make you uncomfortable. What if everything you believed about the relationship between size and computing power was completely wrong? ADLINK's EMP-100 series is proving that revolutionary capabilities can come in packages so small they fit in your palm. At just 28mm stick, imagine a stack of about 28 credit cards. This fanless mini PC delivers industrial-grade performance that would have required room-sized computers just a generation ago. Don't let the compact dimensions fool you. These miniature marvels pack Intel Celeron J6412 and N6210 processors, dual HDMI outputs for multi-display setups, USB 3.2 connectivity, gigabit Ethernet, and M2 expansion slots for storage and additional connectivity options. Optional Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities transform these units into IoT command centers capable of managing complex networks of connected devices. The durability specifications read like something from a military handbook: 30G shock resistance and 3G MV vibration tolerance, along with CE and FCC Class B certifications. This means the EMP-100 can survive conditions that would destroy conventional computers, making it perfect for deployment in retail environments, factory automation systems, interactive kiosks, and digital signage networks. What's truly impressive is the versatility of mounting options, allowing seamless integration into space-constrained environments where every cubic inch matters. The Taiwan Excellence Award recognition isn't just ceremonial. It represents acknowledgement that this tiny computer is reshaping how we think about edge computing infrastructure. And this is the part most people miss. The EMP-100 isn't just a computer. It's an enabler of smart transformation that brings enterprise-level computing power to locations where traditional systems simply can't go. Enterprise-scale performance, when failure isn't an option. When mission-critical operations demand unwavering reliability, half measures become costly mistakes. AAEON's RT510 rack-mount chassis represents the ultimate fusion of scalability, durability, and performance for industries where downtime equals disaster. This 4U industrial powerhouse is engineered to handle whatever enterprise workloads you can throw at it. Supporting ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards, the RT510 offers unprecedented flexibility through its 7-slot backplane expansion architecture. Whether you're building a data center, manufacturing control system, or mission-critical monitoring network, this chassis adapts to your exact requirements. The thermal management system showcases sophisticated engineering. A 120mm front fan with integrated filtration ensures optimal cooling for add-on cards, while secure card retainers prevent component displacement during intensive operations. This attention to detail becomes crucial when systems must operate continuously for months or years without interruption. Storage flexibility reaches impressive levels with multiple configuration options. 3.5-inch by 4 plus 2.5-inch by 1 internal bays, or 5.25-inch by 2 external plus 3.5-inch by 1 and 2.5-inch by 1 internal bays. Power supply redundancy options include PS2 single and mini redundant units, ensuring operations continue even if primary power systems experience issues. The RT510 is purpose-built for environments where performance degradation or system failure can cost millions of dollars or compromise safety. From data centers processing thousands of transactions per second to manufacturing systems controlling automated production lines, this chassis provides the rock-solid foundation that critical operations demand. The convergence revolution, where innovation meets industrial reality. Here's a controversial thought. Traditional computing approaches are becoming obsolete faster than most organizations realize. While companies debate incremental improvements, industry leaders like APLEX, ADLINK, and AAEON are fundamentally rewriting the rules of industrial computing. These Taiwanese technology pioneers aren't just creating products, they're architecting the infrastructure that will define the next decade of industrial automation, connectivity, and intelligent manufacturing. APLEX's intelligent panel computers serve as the sensory and decision-making interfaces for smart factories. ADLINK's award-winning compact systems bring enterprise computing power to the edge of operations. AAEON's rack-mount solutions provide the scalable backbone for mission-critical systems. Together, these innovations represent more than technological advancement. They embody a fundamental shift toward computing environments where design excellence, operational durability, and artificial intelligence converge to create unprecedented levels of industrial performance and efficiency. But here's the question that should keep every industrial leader awake at night. While you're reading about these innovations, are your competitors already implementing them? The companies that embrace these technologies today will likely dominate their industries tomorrow, while those that hesitate may find themselves struggling to catch up in an increasingly competitive landscape. What do you think? Are we witnessing the dawn of a new industrial age? Or are these just incremental improvements to existing technology? Share your perspective. Do you believe companies that don't adopt these advanced computing solutions will be left behind? Or is there still room for traditional approaches in modern manufacturing? The comment section is waiting for your thoughts, and honestly, there's probably no middle ground on this one.